Hey YouTube, it is Yasmin Woodland and welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys so much for all of the feedback that I have been getting from this entire Jenelle Evans and David Eason situation. As you guys all know, I posted a petition. It's from change.org on my recent video, and it's justice for Nugget. So hashtag justice for Nugget, you guys. Please show your love and support on this situation and click that link and go ahead and sign the petition. We're trying to get it to 500,000. So if we can get to that point, that'll be greatly appreciated. So thank you guys so much for the subscribers, the beautiful, lovely comments, and the support on the Justice for Nugget petition. So now, you guys, moving from that into the new juicy news. So I am back with the juicy news, okay, you guys? So as you can tell by the title of this video, you guys, Teen Mom has already replaced Jenelle Evans with a new girl. She goes by the name of Jade. She's 21 and she has a little baby, just one child, okay? So I'm just gonna put up a snippet for you guys to read along with me. And it states, Teen Mom filming Jenelle Evans' replacement. Jade Cline steps into the spotlight. MTV is moving quickly as it seeks a fresh start on its Teen Mom franchise. The network is already filming with Jenelle Evans' replacement, Jade Cline. Sources close to the production tell TMZ Teen Mom producers will be filming Kaylin Lowry's podcast in New York this weekend, where special guest Jade will officially announce a pretty poorly kept secret that she's stepping in for Jenelle. The podcast is called Coffee Convos with Kayle Lowry and Lindsay Chrisley, and MTV cameras will be rolling as the hosts sit down for an interview with Jade. On Teen Mom sources, our Teen Mom sources tell us, show producers felt the podcast was the perfect way to announce Jenelle's replacement because Kaylin will also be co-starring alongside Jade. We're told the reveal will air next week, which lines up with the Teen Mom 2 reunion. As you know, MTV severed all ties with Jenelle in the wake of husband David Eason killing the family dog as punishment for nipping at the 2-year-old daughter. The dog's brutal death was the last straw for MTV's often tumultuous relationship with the couple. Jenelle has been an empty nester as of lately, now that authorities have removed all of her kids from her home in the midst of the fallout from the dog's murder. Jenelle and David were in court Thursday fighting to get their children back. As for Jade, the 21-year-old is a mother of one, and she recently split with her baby daddy, Sean Austin. All right, you guys, so that is the updated news that I have for you guys. I said it, and I will say it again. This is show business, you guys. This is just how it works. You know, if someone gets hurt on the job, they'll have, you know, a movie star move in or an understudy move in to replace that person who's injured. And in this case, the show must go on. You know, I think it's really facing some sort of reality for Jenelle. Like, oh my gosh, like this is really happening. Like I really have no chance on getting back with Teen Mom. I don't have any other chances of that currently right now because they're already filming with the replacement Jade. Now, we don't know much about her. I mean, TMZ just reported that she's just a mother of one. She's 21. We don't know much about her. We don't know where she's from. So I think that's what the podcast with Kayle is supposed to reveal for us, like where she's from and, you know, things about her, her relationship, her child. And I think it's just crazy just how fast production moves. I mean, just with Farrah, they dropped Farrah because she wanted to continue to do adult videos and stuff like that. They X'd out Farrah and they brought along a new mother, and I am literally having a brain fart. I cannot think of her name at this moment. They brought on that other girl to replace Farrah, essentially. So I just think it's crazy, you know. It's like I said, it's show business, and I think it's reality for Jenelle. Like, hey, this time your decision was a bad one, and you make your bed, you lie in it type thing. So you decided to stick by your husband, you know, throughout the midst of this entire dog killing situation, instead of calling the authorities or calling somebody for help, you know, getting your kids out of that situation, you know, I think is just sinking in for her. So I don't know, you guys. I know that no other shows will touch her right now. I thought WeTV was going to do like a marriage boot camp with her and her husband, but WeTV just got so much backlash from that. Just the rumors that they could possibly even star on there. I think that was just completely a no-go. So WeTV does not want them currently. And I don't know any other shows that will pick her up without getting or receiving some sort of backlash. I mean, if you look on her Instagram, Jenelle Evans' Instagram, they're just calling her all sorts of names, hashtag dog killer and stuff like that. So I don't know, you guys. I don't think any other show is going to pick them up, and I don't know where her finances are going to be. So I think this is just confirmation by Jade Cline starring as her replacement on the show. Is just confirmation that Jenelle will not be a part of this Teen Mom franchise as of right now, and maybe in the future she still won't be. So this is absolutely crazy. This is juicy news, you guys. I am all here for the juicy news, the juicy tea. I'm here to sip wine, and I don't know, you guys. I know you guys have a lot to say about this situation, so I'm just gonna end this video early. What do you think about Jenelle Evans and David Easton showing up for court to get their kids back? Do you think they have a chance of getting their kids back? Also, what do you think about Jenelle's finances? Do you think she'll be able to revive herself? Do you think she can eventually get back on the Teen Mom show or any other show? And what do you think about the Teen Mom producers just, you know, having someone new replace Jenelle? You know, she goes by the name of Jade Cline. Jade Cline. She's 21 and she has a baby. So what do you guys think about this stuff? Comment below your thoughts. Make sure that you subscribe and tap the bell to get notifications on future videos that I upload. And other than that, I look forward to all your comments that you guys have to say and all of your thoughts. I would definitely continue to give you feedback in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And until next time, you guys, see ya.